It started a year before I saw him. I had left rotator cuff surgery, which resulted in a second rotator cuff surgery and then a clean out because it got infected. The doctor said, "I can't help you. You need to find somebody else." I found Dr. Carlson. I came to see him. Instantly, I felt comfortable with him. He was straight to the point. This is what we're going to do. We took it from there. And I had total reverse shoulder replacement. When I came to him, I couldn't lift my arm 2 inches from my side. I can now raise my arm over my head. I do things now I couldn't do before. We have a brand new baby at the house that I could now lift and, you know, actually love on her and hold her, because before I couldn't. The staff treated me with respect, they were people. They didn't treat me like I was just another patient. And Dr. Carlson, he knew I was scared. And he broke the ice, he had me laughing. You know, he's just, the man is terrific. You know, from day one, I have, like I said, felt very confident with him. There was pain, but it wasn't excruciating. When I left the hospital, they made sure I had the ice pack machine, everything I needed, which I believe made the surgery the whole process of recovery better than any other surgery. I was actually surprised. I set myself up to, if I got 50% mobility, I would be happy. And I think I'm at 90 now, and I am extremely happy. It's debilitating when you can't do things with your grandchildren, when you can't, even with your kids. You know, as simple as washing a dish and putting it in the drainer. When you can't do that, it makes you feel useless. I can do all that now. I can raise my hand to put things away, which I couldn't do for months. And I do it painlessly now. And that in itself makes my quality of life better. Don't give up. Keep your faith and believe in your surgeon. You know, at the hospital, when they were in pre-op, I asked one of the nurses, "How's Dr. Carlson?" And their response made me calm down from the nervousness of the surgery. He's great. He's attentive. And he has a terrific success rate. That in itself, knowing that the nurses in the hospital could say that without batting an eye, that was I can't explain the feeling. I mean, because I was nervous. I was scared. I didn't know if I'd ever use my arm again. I'd heard horror stories. Don't believe them, because with the right surgeon, it can work. My situation, any situation, orthopedically, I tell people to come here. And I'm going to see Dr. Carlson for something else in the near future. And I praise them. I recommend them to everybody. After going through what I did before seeing Dr. Carlson, I thought I was going to lose my arm. That's how bad of an infection I got. And I wish I had found him first. You know, sometimes we have to hit a few roadblocks before we get to where we're going. And I hit them, and then I found Dr. Carlson, and I wouldn't trade him for anything now. I'm too young to feel defeated and useless. And he gave me my full life back. And I could never thank him enough.